We're out here at Clover Creek, my cousin's property. Hopefully catching us some big old creek cutthroats. With my special little crawdad here. It's pretty magic. It works wonders. It's a great lure. Little rebel crawdad. I suggest it to anybody. Already got one up here on the dock. Or on the shore, I guess. Oh, there's a weed there.
Oh, great.
Let's see if we can't get any more. The whole school of them sitting right here below us.
I don't think I can get that on video, but...
Probably not. These don't want nothing to do with the Oh, those shiners are back, dude. Look.
Are they?
See the shiners down there?
Oh, crap, they do. I know you guys can't see it, but me and my cousin can. They're beautiful. Fish. They're beautiful fish. But when we're out here, usually we're pulling up 4 or 5 each day.
You don't usually get a lot of fish. You definitely get fish.
Jesus Christ, Matthew, why you keep...
Trout. Look at them. Oh my God, dude, they're flipping out. That spooks them. Definitely. Definitely spooks them.
Are you casting now? You're casting over there?
Oh, come on. All the places in the world.
Yeah, the sun's kind of bright.
Oh, dude. I would chase it right up and hit it as it hit the weed, and then you couldn't get it because it's on the weed. It sucks. That's a decent one.
Dude, I want to get a GoPro.
Oh, yeah.
Or one of them new drone ones.
Remember that giant one, that giant trout that I caught down here?
Yeah.
That pig that got snagged up and had to go and got bit by that dog?
Yep. Brewster.
It was worth it. Say that fish was late. What was that, like 17 incher?
We didn't even run that guy to the pond.
No, that was 17.
Yeah. Might have been. Dude, that sun, man. Where's my sunglasses? I hope guys, this isn't that bright for you guys.
I just freaking 2 fish chase it out now. No, we want nothing to do with it.
Yeah, I've been watching all these YouTube guys on there doing all these fishing, and it's like they always pause and just go to where they caught a fish. Where they caught a fish, and it's like, well, dude, why aren't you teaching us how to fish? What lures to use? What is this even called, Matthew? Because I don't even remember what you told me.
This?
Yes.
It's a rebel crawdad. I think it's rebel. If not, it's just a little crawdad swim bait of some kind. All I'm doing is casting it up, reeling it pretty much as slow as you can, as long as you can get away with. Through this current, you want it to dive a little bit. But you also want it to be in the strike zone as long as possible, because these little creeks like this, you're only going to get, on a good day, 4 fish out of one spot. So you want to maximize your opportunities to catch those fish. See, right there, I had a hit, and I won't hit it again. Which kind of sucks, because I'd like to get a fish on video for you guys. I just caught a decent one.
Well, guys, if we don't catch any fish in 2 minutes, we'll probably end it.
Go down to the bridge, maybe. Maybe. Easy. Oh, fishies.
Guys, I don't think I want to make a 14-minute video, but...
There's like this app you can download, you can edit videos.
Yeah, I know, but... You'd have to do that on your phone, because I can't download any more apps on my phone. It's too much storage thing, and it's slowing down my phone so much.
No, there's fish down there. I can see them. Look at them.
Whoa!
There's a whole school of them, I'm telling you. There's tons of them right here.
Looked like that was trying to go for it, but he couldn't see it.
They're all spooked. It's good cats.
If you guys can see it out there, I don't think you guys can. I think
This is the cat. This is the cats where I catch my fish for you guys.
1 more minute. We'll probably just end it. We'll still upload it, but just to show how we fish.
I have to make this like part 1 and part 2 catch some fish maybe.
Yeah, I guess.
Down by the bridge is where we catch all of our big fish anyways.
Yeah. Well, guys, we'll end it here.
Wait, finish this cast.
Okay, well, let's finish this cast then.
I just got a really sweet cast. If there's any fish, it's gonna be at least one look at it. All the time, so you get it. Okay.
Well, guys, we'll end it here. Like and comment. We always look at the comments. Bye. Have a great time.